25 insane animal facts that you didn't know. You won't believe what's at number 1. Number 25. The Greenland shark can live for over 400 years. Deep in the icy waters of the Arctic, an ancient predator lurks, the Greenland shark. It grows incredibly slowly, and some individuals are estimated to be over 400 years old. That means some of these sharks were already swimming when Shakespeare was alive. 24. Some snakes can glide through the air. You might think all snakes slither, but the paradise tree snake can flatten its body and launch itself from tree branches. It glides over 100 feet through the air, twisting its body to stay airborne before landing on another tree. 23. The mimic octopus can shapeshift into other animals. The mimic octopus is nature's ultimate master of disguise. It can change its shape, color, and texture to impersonate dangerous creatures like lionfish, jellyfish, and even sea snakes. This trick helps it avoid predators and sneak up on prey. 22. Chickens are the closest living relatives of the T-Rex. Dinosaurs might be extinct, but their closest living relatives are right in your backyard. Chickens. Studies have confirmed that chickens share more DNA with Tyrannosaurus rex than any other animal alive today. 21. The coconut crab can lift 100 times its own weight. Meet the largest land crab in the world, the coconut crab. Its massive claws can crack open coconuts, and it's so strong it can lift objects 100 times its body weight. In some cases, these crabs have even been known to steal shoes, knives, and even cameras. 20. Some frogs can survive being completely frozen. The wood frog has an unbelievable survival trick. It freezes solid in the winter. Its heart stops beating, its organs freeze, and it turns into an ice cube. But when spring arrives, it thaws out and hops away like nothing happened. 19. Flamingos can drink boiling water. Flamingos thrive in extreme conditions. They can drink near boiling water from volcanic springs, thanks to their tough, heat-resistant mouths. They even stand on one leg to conserve body heat in cold environments. 18. Platypuses produce venom, already one of the weirdest animals on Earth. The platypus takes things to another level. It has venomous spurs on its hind leg. While the venom won't kill a human, it causes agonizing pain that can last for weeks. 17. The heart of a blue whale is the size of a car. Everything about a blue whale is massive. But did you know its heart is the size of a small car? Weighing over 400 pounds, it pumps 60 gallons of blood per beat and can be heard from 2 miles away underwater. 16. Some sharks glow in the dark. Certain deep-sea sharks, like the kitefin shark, have a bioluminescent glow. This eerie blue-green light helps them blend into the darkness, making them stealthy hunters in the deep ocean. 15. Badgers can dig an entire cow underground. Badgers are powerful diggers. Did you know they've been caught burying full-sized cow carcasses underground? Scientists discovered one badger single-handedly dug a massive hole to store a cow for later meals. 14. Woodpeckers slam their heads into trees thousands of times a day. So, how do they avoid brain damage? Their tongue actually wraps around the back of their skull, acting as a shock absorber to prevent concussions. 13. Vampire bats share blood with their friends. Vampire bats are one of the only animals known to share food with non-relatives. If one bat fails to find a meal, another will regurgitate blood to keep it alive, because missing just 2 nights of feeding could be deadly. 12. Some birds can sleep while flying. Albatrosses are the ultimate long-distance travelers. They can fly for weeks without landing. They take micronaps mid-air, keeping one side of their brain awake while the other sleeps. 11. Pigeons can do math. Pigeons might seem like ordinary birds, but scientists discovered they can count and understand numerical concepts. They can recognize sequences, solve simple math problems, and even understand abstract patterns. 10. Raccoons have hands as sensitive as human fingertips. A raccoon's front paws are so sensitive that they can feel textures and objects in total darkness. They rely on their sense of touch more than sight, almost like having built-in night vision. 9. Some lizards shoot blood from their eyes as a defense. The Texas horned lizard has an absolutely insane defense mechanism. It sprays jets of blood from its eyes. The disgusting iron-rich blood confuses predators, making them think twice about attacking. 8. Some ducks grow new penises every year. Male ducks regrow their reproductive organs every mating season, and the size actually changes depending on how much competition they face. 7. Kangaroos can't walk backward. Due to their massive tails and muscular legs, kangaroos physically cannot move in reverse. They're designed to only move forward, which is why they're the perfect symbol for progress in Australia. 6. Elephants can communicate through the ground. Elephants send low-frequency rumbles through the earth, which other elephants can feel with their feet from miles away. This is how herds stay connected across vast distances. 5. A parrot once testified in a murder trial. An African gray parrot mimicked the final words of its murdered owner, leading authorities to a suspect. While the parrot's words weren't officially used in court, they played a role in solving the crime. 4. The immortal jellyfish can reverse its aging. The jellyfish Turritopsis dohrnii has a superpower. It can turn back into a baby whenever it's injured or stressed, making it biologically immortal. 3. The ostrich's eye is bigger than its brain. Ostriches have massive eyes. They're actually bigger than their entire brain, helping them spot danger from miles away. 2. The owl's silent flight is a deadly advantage. Owls have specialized feathers that eliminate sound, making their flight completely silent. This lets them swoop down on prey undetected. And coming in at the number 1 fact fart is the Japanese spider crab, with the longest legs in the animal kingdom. This deep-sea monster can reach a terrifying 12 feet from claw to claw. It lurks in the ocean depths, moving eerily slow with its long, spindly legs, making it one of the creepiest creatures on Earth. Which fact blew your mind the most? Drop a comment below. And if you got smarter by the fart, make sure to like and subscribe for more.